As AutoCAD and civil designers, before we can even start using our software to design roads, grading, stormwater systems, or basic site plans, we spend a ton of time simply preparing an existing plan or existing conditions within the software. Sourcing this line work and these objects can take a ton of time, and we never know how up to date or accurate the data is that we're getting off of government download sites provided by a client or pulling from old projects. Oftentimes, like the project I'm currently working on, we're having to manually digitize and trace aerial imagery that's a few years old. Not only is this not going to be accurate, it's also super time consuming because we're doing it manually. That's why in today's quick video, I want to share one of the most practical and useful use cases for automation and AI software in civil and AutoCAD workflows. Ecopia is using AI feature extraction along with human quality control to create engineering grade accurate geospatial data. So road line work, tree cover, building outlines, sidewalks, road markings, and a ton more directly from aerial imagery. It's going to automate this tracing process and just give us the data that we want. So let's jump into today's video. I've already mentioned Ecopia in a few videos over the last couple months. If you've seen my videos on setting up base data or importing shapefiles, we've been using Ecopia base data for them. It's been super useful, and it's a huge time saver when it comes to setting up a base plan or existing conditions plan. When you don't necessarily have or need a survey, you just want some simple line work to start doing some drainage calculations, some land use planning, or anything that's just going to need this type of data. You can see on their website here, once you sign up and start using their platform, it's really straightforward to get your data. You can order data for areas that they haven't covered or digitized yet, and they'll reach out. You can also work with them for package deals depending on the size and amount of data you need for your project. And for projects in bigger cities or areas that they've already digitized data from, you can simply select the area you want and put in a request for the downloadable data. They're going to send you an email shortly after with the download links, and then you're set to go. You can get this in a variety of different file formats, and you can also choose a variety of different types of line work. You can see here on the map, we're in a city. You can see it's got the road system and marking lines turned on, and if we zoom right in, you can see everything that's being included, including stop lines, crosswalks, road edges. You can see sidewalks, driveways, parking locations, and more. We can turn on road center lines as well as road systems and center lines. You can see what's included in each of these, including signs and different types of public transportation line work. There are other options as well. If you're looking for, say, stormwater calculation data, you can get things like land covered uses, tree canopies, center lines for roads, and a ton more. It even breaks it down into the type of land cover. This is especially useful if you're doing any kind of stormwater or land use type planning. You can see here all of the data is categorized nicely and easily downloadable once you choose your selection and simply place the order. Once you're ready to get your data, it's as easy as drawing your area of interest and defining what you'd like included. You can then choose which data sets you need, and then depending on the project, you can download things like roads, buildings, sidewalks, impervious surfaces, transportation features, tree cover, and a ton more like we talked about. Once your area is selected, you can simply export your data. You choose a few different selections like the type of data you're looking for, the projection, as well as the format you're looking for, whether it's shapefile or DXF, or you can get both. And then you simply choose quote or download depending on your account and settings. Now let's look quickly at what this data looks like in CAD or QGIS. You can see here I've imported the downloaded datasets into Civil 3D or AutoCAD using map import. You can see that all of these areas are instantly recognizable. Things are sorted out into the proper categories and layers depending on your import method. And this is going to give you an excellent starting point for any of your projects, whether it's transportation, land use planning, drainage studies, or concept design. All of this is going to save you a ton of time because you're not going to need to source or digitize this, and you know it's based on the most recent imagery that's available. Instead of spending hours doing tedious manual digitizing, you're a lot closer to a finished site plan simply by ordering these lines. I really think this is where automation and AI shines, and it's these type of tools that are really going to save engineers and designers the most time. This isn't going to replace us, but it's just going to be another tool in our toolbox that's going to allow us to build and create more accurate and up-to-date plans for our clients and projects. We all know having accurate plans is a huge time saver, and it reduces a ton of errors and issues that can come up in the field. I've really enjoyed using this platform and working with this company. I hope you guys check them out, and I want to thank Ecopia for sponsoring today's video. You can use the link down below to sign up and check out some of their on-demand datasets, as well as reach out to get a quote for your next project for custom data downloads. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know in the comments what other apps, tools, and software that you've seen and you'd like to see me try out and see how this is a fit for us as civil and 3D designers. Have a good one, and cheers.